What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a quick little look at the whole entire top 100 cryptos that are, how are they performing? These are their bubbles. We're seeing a lot of red today, which is kind of leaning towards the fake out that I was possibly predicting a couple of my videos ago. So we got a lot of red. We got a couple that are going green. I wouldn't know why, but we got Bitcoin Gold going up about 22.4%. We are on the day frame on these bubbles, so this is what they're moving on a daily basis. And everything else, other than these few little green ones, everything else is pretty much red. So that's what we got with the crypto bubbles right now. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. We're at a 33, but damn. Meet Ukrainian single women. I'm gonna finish this video later, you guys. I need me one of these. I'll be right back. Nah, I'm just playing. But so far, the fake out that I was potentially predicting on the previous video was that we were going to be possibly breaking out of this. If not, it was just going to be a fake out. But one of the things that we needed to pay close attention to was the fact that we were approaching the 50 EMA line, and then on top of that we have a super strong downward trend line right here, this big red one right here, since this would be August of 2021. So August of 2021, I believe that's about to be almost a year long of a downtrend. I mean, I could even extend it all the way up to over here, which would be April. April of 2021. Like, I can drag it out all the way over here. I'm just gonna do that just for the sake of the video. Oh yeah, like right about there. You know, it doesn't gotta be on point. You know what I'm saying? But that's pretty much the video. Where I'm smoked. That's pretty much the downward trend line right there. So we had the descending triangle formation right here. You guys can see that triangle right there, clear as day. And then we broke out of it for a little bit, and then we quickly shot down after we seen this 50 EMA line. We tapped it, kind of broke out of it a little bit, but we fell right back down under, which isn't the most best news to hear. So I'm going to be cleaning this chart up real quick, and we're going to be taking a look at the descending triangle real quick. So first off, there's a downtrend, and that's what we saw, right? A downtrend. And then we're seeing the up and down, up and down, up and down, which is literally what we're seeing here. So we went down, then we came back up and down and up and down and up, down and up. It's gonna get tighter and tighter, tighter until we shoot down. And that's what we're gonna see, the continuation of the trend. So the trend is your friend. As long as you know the trend, then let it be your friend. One of the things that we're seeing is that obviously we're on a massive downward trend. Downward trend. Yeah, we're on a massive downward trend. My voice had cracked. I was making fun of myself, but we're on a massive downward trend right now, and we're seeing another smaller downward trend right now that formed a descending triangle with a fake out, possibly, question mark, question mark. One of the things that I've seen as well was that on the weekly, when I zoom more in, on my previous videos, I had questioned if this was a doji candle. This candle right here I was asking if this was a doji candle. And then we started seeing some green candles. I mean, we started seeing a green candle, and we started breaking out of this downward trend line. And I was like, oh shit, maybe this was a doji candle. Because when we look at what a doji candle is, you guys remember reading this? It says a doji is a transitional candlestick formation, signifying equally or indecision between bulls and bears. A doji is quite, that's the main part right here. Forget all that stuttering I said right there. This is the main part right here. A doji is quite often found at the bottom and the top of trends, and thus is considered a sign of possible reversal of price direction. So if this was considered the bottom, which a lot of people out there on the YouTube space are screaming, this is the bottom, get it while you can, da da da. So if this is the bottom, we can potentially start seeing a reversal in price direction, which we ended up seeing a green candle, which was validating the definition of a doji candle. And I can go in the past right here and we can see some doji candles. Like this was a doji candle, and what happened, we shot up. So these are the weekly candles. This one doesn't close up until matter of fact, in 2 days. It doesn't close up until Sunday. So if we can't close this candle at least above this downward trend line right here, this little small one, if we can't close above it, then I'm starting to lean towards that fake out. Obviously, you want to be more of a neutral trader. You want to start seeing the bearish and the bullish. So this was like a bullish indicator, and then this descending triangle would have been the bearish indicator. So yeah, that's what I've been seeing right now. And how do I think that this is going to be a fake out? Well, I take a look at the Bitcoin price chart, and Bitcoin price chart had a similar fake out, and I'm going to be showing that to you guys on the day frame. So right here, you guys can clearly see a triangle right here. This is exactly what I did in my previous video, but you know, I still need to talk about it again just to get it up inside you guys' mind, and you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let it play out. So we got a triangle right here. We had a breakout of the triangle, and then shortly after we fell back into it, and then we broke down. So that's what I'm kind of seeing with this XRP price chart, was that we're seeing this triangle, and they look pretty similar as well. That's a triangle with the fake breakout right there. Fake out or breakout, question mark. That's up to y'all to decide. I'm not a financial advisor. Do everything based on the intelligence. You'll invest what you're going to lose. Blah, blah, blah. So back to that Bitcoin price chart. It's right here. Yeah. So after we did that breakout, we shortly fell back up into it, and then we broke down, which the downtrend, up and down, started to get tighter like a wedge, and then we finally break out, and we continued the downtrend. Once again, the trend is your friend, and we known that it was going on a downward trend right here. Once you know the trend, like I'm saying, the trend is your friend. Shortly after this descending triangle, we started seeing some bearish flags, some bear flags, as y'all can see right here. Boom, boom, bear flag, boom, boom, and we fell. Man, we were calling that out. And on these XRP price chart, I don't want to say it, but this one's actually not looking like a bear flag. But just to be sure, we'll search up what is a bear flag right now, and we'll see how that looks, just to get more educated on this. Well, all right, so it says a bear flag is a pattern. The bear flag, fuck me, fuck. It says the bear flag pattern is a continuation pattern of the previous downtrend. So basically, it's exactly what it said. It's a continuation of whatever trend. Well, since this is a bear flag, it's a bear trend, so it's downward. So let's say, where is it again? Oh, it's over here. The bear flag. We need to see some images of the bear flag. Let's look at some images. And that's a bear flag for y'all. But we need to look chart formation, chart pattern. Let me find one that looks good. Like this one's a good looking one. You see a straight downward line, and then you see a slight slopey upwardness, and then we shoot straight back down under. But I want to find one where you guys can see what happens after. So like this one's giving you the idea of what's happened after. So they took a measurement from right here to right here. They took this line and brought it right back over here, and this is where they're gonna basically guess where it's going. A logical guess, not just any guess. But you've seen a downward trend plus a slight slope upwards, and we shoot right back down. But I kind of want to find a better one, because that one's not the one I want to see. So yeah, basically this is what it is, man. This is exactly what it is. This is a flagpole, and if I go right here to see, it's not really, this one's not really like a bear flag. But when we see these Bitcoin ones, come on, man, y'all can't deny to me that this ain't a bear flag. We got the pole right here, and we got the flag right here. We shoot down, right? That's what happened the first one, right? Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's exactly what happened. Let's take another look. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And then what's happened? There's the pole again. We're having a slight slopey upwardness move, and we're going to shoot right back down once again. So these are just the little small things that I've been finding. I'm not too 100% sure on what's going to happen, but I am leaning towards more of a bearish scenario. I don't think that the bearish sentiment is over in the market or crypto space, whatever you want to call it. There's still a lot of room for a downside because overall, from the start of these cryptos from last year, they're still up positive, and when you take it from like the start of the crypto period, like the beginning of the beginning till now, it's still up significantly. So yeah, keep that in mind. If you guys got up in here or bought it anywhere up here, I know you guys are negative, but you guys just need to stay patient and stay calm. So that's what pretty much I got for you guys, was just basically a repeat of what I was saying on the crypto total market cap. This is all the money in the crypto space. We're actually back above the 50 EMA, so that's good news. But we can see that we're battling this trend line right here, this one right here, since March of 2021. We can see the battling right here, starting to battle right here. As long as we can get through this one, I'm pretty sure we'll fly at least up to 1.17, basically 1.2 trillion. And then we have a lot more resistances and rejections right here. But that's basically what I see right here. We still got the SEC versus XRP lawsuit going on. So as long as that's not over, I don't see any type of bull run coming anytime soon. So one of the things I wanted to point out was that that cryptocurrency called Library, they're still in a lawsuit with the SEC as well, and theirs isn't going to end until about another 4 to 8 weeks. So just keep in mind that's like another two months, like a month or two at least for that one to end. And then another thing I was gonna say is that on July 28th, we're in July, right? Let me see. Yeah, on July 28th, the SEC has to hand over them emails. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think is gonna happen when they have to sign those, hand over those emails? Because there's a lot that's going to be found in them emails. I mean, the SEC has been trying to not hand them over for a minute, and they've been holding this lawsuit on for a long time to avoid handing those over. So do you guys think that there will be a potential settlement just to avoid what's being said within those emails, and they don't have to hand them over, they'll just go with the settlement? Or do you think that we might just continue through this whole case for however long it has to take, and then finally take a win? I don't know, guys. I'm not a lawyer and I'm not a financial advisor, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy Leo, and stay safe.